Hi Virgos, welcome to your reading. This is going to be 31st of May till 6th of June 2021, though timeless readings. Okay. Twin Flame Soulmates and Connections. Follow me on Instagram as SHELLSSA Shells Running. Sending you love all the way from India. Okay, I heard it's about the door that you should open, or you need to, or you want to open. The door, the real-time door, the portal door, which is about the portal. Okay, it's about the decision. It's about from this time to that time. It's about something that you want to cross. So this may be connected with your decision, and it is also something that you are still not totally out in regards to decision with certain someone in your life right now. So this may be basically about the door that you want to open and move out. This may be something, the opportunity that you are seeking. Now, opportunity may be something connected with your individual scenario, and you really want it, and you're working really hard for it, and you're going to get time, or you're going to get this chance. So this is about chance of a lifetime chance, basically. I've been shuffling this deck, and you have bottom energy is Two of Wands energy. There's a big time thought to this, big time planning to this, and big time travel plans in future call as well. Might not be happening right now, maybe happening after 2 months or 2 weeks, however it goes for you. This is about future planning. Okay, future planning, something that you desire the most, the door that you really want to enter, and something that gives you satisfaction, whatever it is. It may be a work or a relationship here. There's also decision. There's a decision in the midst of your relationship of the now and your future call of your dream project or dream. Okay, so this may connect with your career. This may be in the midst of leaving something in order to fetch something. Two of Pentacles energy. This may be of the now and there. Something is there. I feel it's about the door, and the moment you're going to open the door, okay, you're going to be somewhere. You see my dream catcher there? Oh my god, I got blurred suddenly. There was a blur. I don't know, because of lighting or something. So we're going to see your overall energy. What is happening with you, Virgos? What is happening with you, Virgos? Oh my god, yeah. It's about being so straight in something that you want to say, but something is breaking your own heart here. It's like desires. It's also something that you really want to clear out. It's something, the decision. It may be about a triangle. This may be about something that you really want to say or confess and clear out with the person, because of third person, or because of like someone you're involved or you really want to be with, or this may be something else in your life which is creating a lot of hustle, because something is breaking, like it's breaking your own heart basically. There's this requirement of breaking it once and for all, and you leaving for that line, you leaving for that big decision here, the door. So maybe you're just coiling around your own heart for certain kind of upset situation or dissatisfied relationship right now you're in. There's a chaos. There's this cry that is coming from this. I hear cry from this. So okay, I'm going to take it. They want me to take one more card, but this is what your overall energy. There may be or might be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy around you. This is King of Swords. Maybe you need to clear something with this person. This may be something of connected with Libra particular, or an unjust situation that you might be in. I just need one more card. Can you? Like, even if you are thinking of making some decision, it's again breaking your own heart. You know, it's like people connected or person connected with you, and you really you genuinely have warm feelings for the person, but you know that something is not right in the relationship, or right now in this situation, and that breaks your own heart because you want to take the decision but you're not making it or not taking it. So it's like basically you're keeping a lot of secret or stuff inside your heart, and which is like burdening you, okay, creating that attack of swords on your heart. I heard some feelings are hidden. So there may be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and someone who might not be right with their own words and gestures, or someone who does a little stuff and then things go well again. This may be an apology that you are seeking from someone, okay? I feel like you're seeking certain apology from someone, Virgos. Someone who did wrong or is doing wrong, or maybe this is someone you are in, love, but you are in relationship, like a marriage, or already involved, and it is a big decision for you. Possible this is the door that you want to open. This is also self-love for your own self, that crossing over this certain situation and accepting what is, and then having a big move here. I hear that someone is shy and not telling their feelings to you, and it is breaking someone's heart, which may be you or your heart. There is someone who is in love with someone deep, but because of this this situation, relationship, or the involvement you're in is making things really messed up, okay? Big time, big decisions. Again, the door. So in real time, is someone approaching, someone who is coming to meet you. This may be someone's travel, door of the flight. I don't know how it goes for you. Door of the flight. So possible someone is having big plans of opening that door, walking up, sitting in the flight and taking the flight. Can you tell us? For Virgos. It's about 9 of Pentacles. 6 of Swords, big time move, big time plans. But how to? Because I feel like you really want to do it, but you want to do it on a mutual ground. Okay, you want everything or everyone around you to be fine and okay, and then you want to make a move. Yes, you're thinking about yourself, but you know that if you'll make this decision, it will break hearts, not just one. And it's not that easy for you even. But with the 9 of Pentacles, it's big time opportunity or something that you are seeking. Being financially independent more, or finding big project for you, working independently somewhere. Or this is about 3 of Swords. Like, I feel like this is a long time thing that you are planning on. Having freedom from certain relationship that is not that is not right or healthy for you, or is giving you only thirst, okay? Which is about in relationship emotionally you're not doing good, and feeling problems in the throat, speaking, you're right, or something like that. With the 9 of Pentacles, you are lingering on with a certain kind of bird here. You may check Taurus reading if you want. There appeared a blurred sparrow. This is a freedom that you are seeking, independence. You want to be single if you are in a relationship. You don't want to be with anyone. But I feel some of you are stuck in the relationship. Regardless, you want to open the door and move out for some specific reasons, okay? People who are going through issues, not people who are happy. I really wish them good luck. But this is like a long time wait. It's also perfection in something. That's what I heard. This is giving me a sign of like a long time relationship here, marriage maybe, or just you're with the person. This may be around 10 years, 9 years, a little less or more. Big time plans, I'm telling you that. But it's also, it feels that you want to take this decision. The reason is that you feel sour or something is not right here, and you are okay with this experience because you know what is exactly. I'm not in your shoes. Oh my god, I'm getting blurred. The devil, Capricorn. So this is something that is unhealthy for some of you in the connection, karmic connection. Okay, some of you, if it is work related situation or the door that you really want to open does come with many responsibilities and does come with lot of stuff that you don't know or you are unaware. It is also the lure. Okay, this is connected with either the relationship situation, choice, second work situation and big decision, big project, but this is also the dare of a new place. Okay, what if I get free or independent or freedom from something? Where am I heading? The devil is the call of lure as well for the things that you really want and you adore and you want to achieve, but you also know that it comes with responsibilities and change situations. So we can talk about the contracts or the bonds, okay, like work situations. Recording time 11:11, so certain kind of relationship here as well. Seem though right, but devil is telling you something. So in your now, you might be getting involved or you are involved in something that is not right for you, or you're having that approach of like, I need to open that door, and that door is the devil door. Like kind of something that is making you confused and messed up for the now things as well in your life. But with the devil, they are coming, he is telling you that you can choose not to open that and then choose wisely. 7 of Cups. Are you messed up? Yeah. Confused? Yeah. In the future, can you give me something? Oh honey, you have these 2 cards as well. I think you're messed up with the decision of cross, 2 of swords, and you are here Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and this may be work related situation as well. 3, something has to do with 3, and you have 1 flip here. Let's see. Oh my gosh. To stay or not to be with or not to reunite or to make things or mend things here with the Cups vibe of approach or apology. Should say yes, forgiving and learning, or not, or to be what I really 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 want to be with or to go with you. Okay, still holding something, messed up. Yes, 2 of swords, not clear. Arguments here I see, but there's also crossroad and confusion. And with the 2 of Cups energy, should I go along with this energy or should I just close this? Because for me sometimes it is also closure, and if you close it, then where? Closure, but then where? Okay, so big time decisions. To get along, to be with, or to fetch something else. Okay, let's see from the Sibilla. It is about the promise or the trust that you both did put in one another. So that's basically the door that you have a choice, opportunity, choice. That's what I talked about. To close it forever or to be with it or to be with this. What is more plausible? What is more right for you? And the devil is trying to tell you, choose wisely, especially showing you 7 of Cups energy. Joyfulness, where your happiness is, where your happiness lies, where exactly it is possible. Joyfulness, there is something around you, there is something that you need to be with. Constancy, something that is already with you, something that you should stick to. Joyfulness is your kindred spirits, what gives you and makes you more happy. So what it means that basically your decision is in your hands. Obviously no one is going to take it on behalf of you, but yes, there is a crossroad, but yes, you know where your happiness lies, what makes you more happy. I'm just a messenger. I cannot tell you that take this decision, but I can guide you, because devil is coming to tell you that what is healthy and unhealthy for you. Your intuition might be telling you again and again to open that door or not. This might be something else in front of you. And I kind of like, I'm going to do more reading, of course, in the future, wherein I'll discuss something very important for you, and that is coming, okay? But they said that you need to wind up this reading. It is for next time, so I cannot tell you right now. I do what they say. Yes, it is connected with something 7, okay? You have 7 of Cups. You have a lot of like 3 energies. Joyfulness, 3 of Swords, 3 of Pentacles. Sticking word is coming again and again for you. For what? You need to figure out. But maybe you need to stick with your gut, stick with your intuition, stick with your decision, okay? Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.